and rape is not permitted. Birmingham is not your destination. Please identify yourself to member of the crew. We'd like to remind you that drinking on alcohol or smoking on board, including e-cigarettes and vape, is not permitted. From the flight, we do kindly ask you to please take your allocated seat only and your allocated seat only. This is for the weight and balance rule and for a quick boarding. If you do wish to move, please do so after takeoff. Thank you.
I'd like to welcome on board this Ryanair flight taking you to Birmingham. Joining me in the flight deck, Senior First Officer Elizabeth Ford. In the cabin we have Shay and her team will be taking very good care of you. We're just finishing off the paperwork now and they'll be on the way. Flight time in the region of 2 hours and 25 minutes, climbing to 14,000 feet. Now that the doors are being closed, cabin crew will come to safety demonstration. This is for your safety, so appreciate you give the cabin crew a couple of minutes of your time once again. You're all very welcome on board.
The safety features of this aircraft. These features may differ from aircraft that you have flown on before. Please remove headphones for this demonstration. All emergency exits are indicated by a red exit sign, and the floor path markings will guide you to the nearest exit in an emergency. The exits are located on both sides of the aircraft, at the front, in the middle, and at the rear of the cabin. All exits are also shown on the safety card. The nearest exit may be behind you. In case of an emergency evacuation, you must leave all your hand baggage behind. To fasten a seatbelt, insert the metal end into the buckle and secure by pulling the loose end. To open a seatbelt, lift the buckle cover. In case of a loss of cabin pressure, masks like this will drop automatically from the panels above your heads. Remain seated and pull down firmly on the mask to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, secure with the strap, and breathe normally. Don't worry if the bag does not inflate. Oxygen is flowing. Fit your own mask first before helping specific to this aircraft type. It is essential that cabin signs and instructions given by the crew are followed. We would like to remind you that smoking is not permitted anywhere on board. Your hand baggage must be securely stowed in the overhead locker or under the seat in front of you, and it must not block any road. May be used throughout the flight. Please select flight mode now and hold your device securely or place it in a pocket. If your device or its battery is damaged, hot, produces smoke, is lost, or falls into the seat structure, please inform the cabin crew immediately. Larger devices, including laptops, must be switched off and stowed in your cabin baggage for takeoff and landing. Thank you for your attention. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Punu pozornost za vrijeme trajanja briefinga o sigurnosnih značajkama.
Above your head, unless you've been instructed otherwise by a member of crew. Cabin crew, seats for departure. stop with anything wala caused injury. Since the governing high pressure bin in the panel just above your head, we would like to remind you that drinking on alcohol or smoking wood, completely cigarettes and vaping is not permitted. No toll is not fitted with phone detector. We invite you back with us. having a word at all times.